In this video I'm going to show you how to change language on CapCut. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up CapCut application. As you can see now I got English language here, and to be able to change that language all I have to do is hit at gear icon and then hit where it says App Language. And from here I can select any language that I want. Let it be Italiano. I'll just tap on it, check mark it, and then hit done. Now I can hit an X icon, and now there Italiano language set as app language. And you can in any time go back, hit at gear icon, hit at language, and there you can change it back to English or to another language from that list. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.